Hello. Today we are going to talk about how to take backup of our website, which is live and running on internet. So I have one sample here. Let's see. First of all, uh, we are provided with control panel, username and password, like I have here, and here is the username and password. So I'll use this one to log in. So since it has been already stored in the cache, so just I'm going to click here. So here is our control panel, C panel. In the C panel, we can see here there are different tools, email, billing and support, files, databases, and many others. So we have to go to here, files. Here we can find file manager. Let's click here. It is opening. So these all are the files we can find in that website. What we have to do, all the files are there stored in this public folder, public underscore HTML. Let's click this one. So these all are the files. These all are the files we have uploaded. Same thing we can also get here, public underscore HTML. It is fetching all the files. So these all are the files we have uploaded for our websites. So nothing we have to do there. Just select all. I'm selecting all and right click. You can go for the uh, compress, and after that we can go for the download. Since I have already downloaded, we can follow this one technique for that. I hope you got the idea regarding this taking the backup of our website. Thank you. See you next time.